guys, I went outside and I got me some fresh cerasee. I also got me a piece of fresh aloe vera. So the aloe vera is ready and this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna use a spoon to scrape this middle part out and put it in the blender. I already have the cerasee leaf here washed ready, and I'm just gonna finish cutting these. I'm gonna slice this down here, slice this part off here, then cut the top off here and leave it like this. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do, and then get into the blending. Okay, final product, guys. This is what it's looking like. It's kind of thick because of the aloe vera. If you know aloe vera, you know aloe vera is slimy, so that's why it's looking like that. But I'm gonna get it into the bottle, and this is the paste that I'm gonna use on my face as a face mask. That brown thing you see over there is some honey, and I'm trying to find my vitamin E, so I'm gonna add some vitamin E to the toner and also to this. I'm not gonna use any preservative in this, so I'm gonna have to store it in the fridge, and it's good to store up to 7 days in the as long as you keep it in the refrigerator. Yep. Okay, so this is the rose hydrosol that I'm gonna use. You can, as I said before, you can also use witch hazel, whatever you have on hand at home. This is what the paste is looking like. I'm just gonna apply it to my face. Maybe you can get a face brush or use a makeup brush or something, but I don't do makeup, so I don't have no makeup brush, unfortunately. So I'm just gonna use my fingers. I'm just gonna wash my hands and use it. Make sure your hands are clean because you don't want to add bacteria to your face, especially if you're breaking out. You don't want to do that, honey. Okay, so I'm also putting it on my neck area here. So whatever you do for the face, you have to do for the neck. This will also lightens and brightens the face, so you want to also apply it to the neck so the neck can be light and bright, so the face and the neck is matching at all times. You don't want to lighten and brighten the face and then your neck is dark. Okay, so apply it to both face and neck. I know I look crazy, but so this is the bottle that I have, that I could find. They're equate bottles. They're in 2 ounce. They're in Walmart for 97 cents, but you can get same 2 ounce. I think it's the same 2 ounce or 4 ounce in Dollar Tree for $1.25, but it's bigger. So this is the one that I could find. So I have all the mixture here, so I'm just gonna pour it out into my bottle. It's looking a little bit slimy, but that's because of the aloe vera. Yeah, aloe vera is very slimy, in case you've never worked with aloe vera before. And you just close it tight like so. So it's been about 10 minutes. My face is dry.